This is the La Norte pub and restaurant, Walking Street. F2 Internet Cafe, Bistro, Cafe, Restaurant. Taking my time now, walking very slowly into Walking Street now. Mind you, I have a stutter, and doing this is taking me out of my comfort zones. Now, as we walk into Walking Street, I don't think I'm allowed to film in the nightclubs. I can't film in the nightclubs, but I can film outside. It's okay, I think. Everybody is doing it. Everybody's doing it. Nightclubs. Here it's called, this is Right Spot, Seafood Steakhouse. You want to go to Bollywood? Here it is. Bollywood, Club Pattaya. Bollywood. You see the flag? Good. You see McDonald's, the famous M, known all over the world. McDonald's. The Bollywood Club. If you have a bank card, there's ATM. ATM. If you're a bit hungry, there's a 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven right there. No. You look good. Good. Well, okay. There's a 7-Eleven right here. There's a Karma Indian Disco. Karma Indian Disco. Right here. You see the bodyguards to get in. You need to wear like a dress code, I think. A dress code. Okay. As you walk through Walking Street in the Pattaya. See all these lovely shops. There's so many shops and nightclubs and bars. So many. There's lots. Lots to choose from. You are spoilt for choice. Spoilt for choice. So many. I'm not a drinker actually. I drink only a little bit. Only a little bit. Okay, another ATM. There's a lovely lady standing there. What else? You want sunglasses? Sunglasses. Here's the fabulous Panda Club. Panda Club. It looks like a panda. Let me go back. Giant panda. Lovely shops, nightclubs and bars. If you're in Pattaya, please do come to Walking Street. Lovely Thai food. The Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Lots of music. kebab. There's a kebab. VR, VR. Chang. This is the Haram Club. Haram Club. Haram Club. Haram Club. The famous Pinap Agogo. Pinap Agogo. Pinap. In Pattaya walking street. Palace Agogo. Palace Agogo. There's so many options for people, so many. Sensations, Agogo. Sensations. Let's get a better look at it, Agogo. Sensations. The sensations, Agogo. Here it is, guys. Wow. Lovely, amazing. Here is the Airport Club. Airport Club. You can see the girl on the airplane. Amazing. Beautiful. I'm here all by myself, so I thought I'll go out, enjoy the energy from the nightclubs. It's the club 808, club 808. Very expensive, very expensive. If you want to drink at these clubs, expect to pay £5 to £6 or $5 to $6 US dollar, 5 to 6 or even more. Woo! Hidden Agogo. Boom.